In this video, I'll show you how to brainstorm ideas with Claude AI quickly and easily. This is a great way to generate creative ideas for projects, content, or business plans. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help brainstorm ideas. For example, I might type, "Give me 10 YouTube video ideas about artificial intelligence." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will then generate a list of different ideas related to the topic I asked about. If I want more ideas, I can ask Claude to generate additional suggestions, or I can refine my request to focus on a specific type of idea. For example, I could type, "Give me more unique ideas," or "Focus on beginner-friendly topics." I can also ask Claude to expand on a specific idea by explaining it in more detail or turning it into a full plan. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to brainstorm ideas. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.